Hi guys, welcome to Dr. Koturi Ayurveda YouTube channel. Raw cucumbers are very boring to eat, and how we can make more delicious and tasty. We are going to make Asian spicy cucumber salad today. So let's see what are the ingredients. Cucumbers, red chili flakes, soya sauce, chopped garlic, salt, green onions, honey, sesame seeds, white vinegar, sesame oil. We need to wash cucumbers and then chop them in a circles, slices. Cucumbers are very hydrated vegetable. It makes our body very hydrated. Very thin slices. See this much of thin cucumber slices we need. You have to put all the cucumber slices in the bowl. We need to add some salt. I have taken the pink salt. You can take any other salts of your choice. Just put on a cucumber slices and you have to just mix very nicely. So basically cucumber also helps heart health, digestion, good for gut, and this is actually detoxifying vegetable. Okay. So I have mixed with salt and then I'm putting some water. And keep that aside for 5 minutes. Now we need to make the chili sauce. To make chili sauce, we need a bowl and we need to start putting our ingredients. I'm putting the green onions, chopped green onions, and next is garlic, chopped garlic. So you can take 2 to 3 cloves according to your taste. And then the main ingredient is red chili flakes. Just put like 2 tablespoons. And then I will take sesame seeds. So sesame seeds are really good for heart health and it has a lot of calcium for our bones. So I like more sesame seed in a salad, so I'm putting one more extra spoon. And then there is soya sauce. I'll just take 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. Okay, 1 tablespoon of honey. Okay, just mix it well. And at the end we will add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. Mix it well. So a little bit of salt. Just remember that we have already added some salt to the cucumber. So just to make sure that you are not adding more salt to the chili sauce. So this is the sesame oil. You need to heat it and pour hot sesame oil in this entire mixture. So this is your chili oil. Let it simmer for a while. Now I'm gonna take these cucumber slices and wash it properly. Last stage of making delicious cucumber salad. So I have taken this kind of plate and I have washed off all the cucumber slices. Just add to this plate. And whatever we have made this chili oil, wow, what a nice aroma. Just put on your cucumber slices. Level of spiciness, it's up to you. So if people do not like more spicier taste, then they can just go ahead with less chili flakes. And I like a little bit spicy for the cucumber salad, so I'm gonna put more. One important point, you should not use olive oil for this kind of chili oil making, because we cannot heat olive oil more. So there is certain temperature which we have to maintain for olive oil. So sesame seed oil is very good, and you should use for this kind of salad. My Asian cucumber salad is ready. Very delicious. Couple of important points. We have added cucumbers, sesame seeds, and garlic, chopped garlic. So sesame is good for the bone health, lot of calcium in it. Cucumber has lot of water in it, water content in it, which hydrates our body. And garlic, which is good for heart health. This salad is very healthy for Asians who have autoimmune disorder or metabolic disorders, or this is very good for weight loss also. So who wants to reduce their weight, they should consume these kind of salads in almost every day, at least one meal in a day. So this is very healthy salad. Thank you for watching Dr. Koturi Ayurveda channel. I am Sushma Rao Koturi. I'll come back with another healthy recipe.